Welcome to our channel. Today we how to screen mirror iPhone to Sony TV step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that your iPhone and Sony TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. On your Sony TV, access the settings menu by pressing the home button on the remote. Navigate to the network settings. Select the screen mirroring option. Make sure screen mirroring is enabled on your TV. Now, unlock your iPhone and swipe down from the top right corner to access the control center. In the control center, look for the screen mirroring icon, which resembles two overlapping rectangles. Tap on the screen mirroring icon. A list of available devices will appear. Select your Sony TV from this list. You may be prompted to enter a code on your iPhone. If prompted, enter the code displayed on your TV screen. Once connected, your iPhone screen will be mirrored to your Sony TV. You can now enjoy videos, photos, or apps on a larger display. To stop mirroring, return to the control center. Tap on the screen mirroring icon again. Then select Stop Mirroring. Your iPhone screen will no longer be displayed on your Sony TV. Make sure to disconnect from the same Wi-Fi network if you're done using screen mirroring. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.